Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the coolest ways to earn money online and make the most out of your digital life. Are you looking for a way to turn your gaming passion into real rewards? Maybe you've spent hours playing games just for fun, but what if you could actually get paid for all that time and skill? Well, stay tuned, because I'm about to reveal an app that lets you get paid to play, literally. Imagine earning cash while doing something you already love. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and app reviews that can help you boost your income from anywhere in the world. I share the best global online earning tips, so if you want more region-specific videos, just comment your country below. I love tailoring my content to help viewers from all over the globe. Now let's get into it. I know you're eager to find out how you can start earning while gaming, so let's not waste any more time. Today, I'm talking about CUZE, the free app that actually pays you for playing games. That's right, you can finally make your gaming sessions productive and profitable. Yep, you heard me right. This isn't just another gimmick or a too-good-to-be-true promise. CUZE is the real deal, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Whether you love card games, puzzles, or action-packed adventures, CUZE has something for you. The app features a massive library of games, so you'll never get bored or run out of options. And the best part? It's available worldwide, so you can join in no matter where you live. Whether you're in the US, India, Europe, or anywhere else, CUZE welcomes gamers from all corners of the globe. So, how does CUZE work? It's super easy. You don't need any special skills or experience, just your phone and a love for gaming. First, download the app and sign up. The registration process is quick and straightforward, so you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Then, pick from a huge variety of games. There's literally something for everyone. From brain teasers to fast-paced shooters, you can choose whatever matches your mood. As you play, you rack up loyalty points. Every minute you spend gaming brings you closer to real rewards, so your time is never wasted. The more you play, the more points you earn, and those points add up to real rewards. It's a simple system that rewards your dedication and skill. And yes, you can actually cash out your earnings. No waiting for months or dealing with complicated withdrawal processes. Think PayPal and other global methods. It's quick and simple. You can transfer your earnings directly to your PayPal account or choose from other popular payment options, depending on your location. No hidden fees, no complicated hoops to jump through. What you see is what you get, and your hard-earned points translate directly into cash. CUZE isn't just about solo gaming either. It's a social experience where you can connect with friends and make new ones. You can invite your friends through the referral system, so you both get to earn extra rewards together. The more friends you bring in, the more bonuses you unlock. Build your own gaming squad, play your favorite games, and watch your loyalty points grow. Compete, collaborate, and celebrate your wins as a team. Here's the rundown. Download CUZE, play games in any genre you like, collect loyalty points, and then cash out for real money. Seriously, it's that simple. No complicated steps, no confusing requirements, just play, earn, and enjoy. You're literally getting rewarded for doing something you already love. It's a win-win situation for anyone who enjoys mobile gaming. If you're ready to turn your spare time into cash, CUZE is your go-to app. Whether you have a few minutes between classes or want to unwind after work, you can make every moment count. I mean, why just play games for fun when you can play for fun and get paid? It's a no-brainer for anyone who wants to make the most of their free time. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give CUZE a try and see how much you can earn just by playing games on your phone? Have you tried CUZE or any other gaming reward apps? Maybe you've had some great experiences or even some challenges. Let me know. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I love hearing from you all. Your feedback helps others decide if CUZE is right for them, and I always enjoy reading your stories and tips. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps me bring you even more awesome content. And remember to turn on notifications so you never miss out on new ways to earn online. I've got plenty more app reviews and earning hacks coming your way. See you in the next video. Until then, happy gaming and happy earning.